When timetabling, you're given different colours to mean different things on the timetabling interface. Inside the timetable slots here, we've got a green slot, a yellow slot and a red slot. The green slot means that the current view of the timetable has been booked into this slot. For example, we've currently got the course view selected, and the course that we're looking at is Computer Hardware for Beginners. This green slot indicates that they are currently booked into that area. They've got an instructor called Tom, and they're in room 301. The next slot along is yellow. Any slot that is yellow can be booked into by simply clicking the left mouse button on that area. So if I click, that slot is added. And the slot that is added is basically made up of what I've selected at the bottom. So it's Computer Systems with Andy in room 316. To remove a slot, we click on the green and it goes back to yellow. The red indicates that it's not possible to make a booking in this area, and the reasons are indicated by pieces of text within the red slot. For example, here we've got the word instructor. What that means is that the current instructor Andy is already booked in this slot, and if we click on their timetable by pressing the view for instructor here, we can see that he is indeed booked in for Computer Systems. If we go back to the course, what we can do is flick through the different instructors until we find one that isn't currently working there. So if we click on Tom, Tom is free. We can also press the down cursor on the keyboard to flick through the different instructors until we find one that's available. But in this instance, Tom will do. Now the room is also booked, so we need to go to the room, and using the cursor key again we can flick until we find a room that is free, and it just so happens that all the rooms are free apart from room 316. So I can select a room which I feel is most appropriate and then click.